Welcome to the Africa CDC COVID-19 Trusted Travel Portal. This portal aims to promote harmonized, standardized and coordinated entry and exit for travelers in Africa by providing access to information on travel restrictions and COVID-19 testing requirements for international travel. The portal is divided into 4 modules for the following groups: public health authorities, COVID-19 laboratory test providers, airline operators, and travelers. If you are a representative of a public health authority, open the portal from your browser at www.africacdc.org/trusted-travel. Log in by typing or selecting your username and password. Then click on the Travel Requirements/Exchange icon. The list of African Union member states will display and you can select your country. You will be directed to make restriction offer, receive restriction offers, and restriction counter offers. If you want to make a restriction offer, click the Make Offer tab against the country of exchange, for example, Nigeria and Angola. Then select your desired restriction classification. Choose testing requirements and select between molecular or serological testing. Next, select when the testing should be done, either at the airport premises or off the airport premises. Next, click the clinical review report, and if there are vaccination requirements, then select the desired requirement and select Make Offer. Select your comment type and enter your comments in the box below. When a country public health authority receives a restriction offer from another country, click on Received Restriction Offer on the dashboard and it will display all testing and quarantine requirements. Click the Add Comments tab and select between Exception and Concern, then add your comments on the comment window and click on Submit. If a public health authority needs to make restriction counteroffer, click on the Restriction Counter Offers on the dashboard and input your restriction counter offer. A country's public health authority can add and monitor laboratories. To do this, log into the COVID-19 Trusted Test app, select Check your COVID-19 results here, then on the dashboard click Laboratory to display the menu. When you click Laboratories in your country, it will display the list of laboratories in your country. You can also view the list of trusted laboratories in other countries. To set up and add a laboratory in your country, click the Laboratory tab and select Create Laboratory. Fill in the laboratory information and click Create Laboratory. A new laboratory will be added to the list of trusted laboratories in your country. If a laboratory defaults in its operations, it can be reported for sanctions. To do this, click the Laboratory tab. Choose Laboratories in other countries. Select the country and the laboratory you wish to report. Choose your report type, then click Report Laboratory to send your report. The public health authority can digitally confirm travel clearance. To do this, click Create a Laboratory and click any empty space in the window. Click Available Ports tab, select the destination port. Click Create, and the route will be created. Next, the public health authority can upload travel requirements. To do this, select the desired route, click Travel Health Requirement, click the Add tab at the top right corner in the window, select Travel Health Form, choose between arrival or departure, click Next, select available vaccinations, click Next, then select Laboratory Test, and click Submit. In the next page it will indicate whether you have successfully added travel health requirement or not. Laboratory Services. Laboratory service providers administer relevant tests and generate secure seal for travelers' results that cannot be forged. Log into the Africa CDC Trusted Travel Portal. On the dashboard, under Tests, select Seals. Click Generate Seals. Fill the traveler's details, then click Next, click the test. On the result, choose either negative or positive, enter your remarks and click Save. On the next page, the list of travelers and their results will be displayed. For airline operators, log into the portal, select Departure Country and Port. then arrival country and port. Next, click on Get Restrictions and the travel restrictions between the two countries will display. Then click Signing. It will lead you to login page where you input your username and password, and the Africa CDC Trusted Travel Apps window will open. Select the digital test result. On the dashboard menu, select Trusted Laboratories. Select the country, click Find. On the displayed tab, click Contact Them, and the laboratory details will display. Then select Checking. Select Departure and Arrival ports. Click on Next. Fill in the traveler's details by clicking the Traveler's Health form. Click Save. On the next page, select the most recent test taken. Click Save and a code will be generated. Click on Download to save the code on your device. The traveler will be required to present the downloaded code to the port health officials at the departure or arrival port, who will cross-match it online before allowing you to pass. If you are a traveler, from your browser, open the portal at www.africa.org/trusted-travel. Log in and select your country of departure. Choose your departure airport. Next, select your country of arrival and the arrival airport. Then click on Get Restrictions to see restrictions for your destination or your transit countries. If you are a first-time user, click on the Sign Up button to register and create your account. If you are a returning user, log in and select your country of departure. On the Africa CDC COVID-19 travel app page, select the Digital Test Results/Trusted Testing button. Select an accredited laboratory closest. From the list, choose the country you want to be tested, then click on the Find icon. You will be presented with a list of accredited laboratories and their contact details. After conducting your laboratory test, upload your test result as soon as it is ready. On the dashboard, select Check-in. Select your departure port and your arrival port. Click on Next. You will be prompted to fill in the travel health form with your details as it appears on your passport. Then select Next and you will be prompted to choose your most recent test result. Click and select your test result. Click Save. When you click Save, a code will be generated. Download the code into your mobile device. Make sure the code is accessible through your mobile phone. You will be required to present the downloaded code to the port health officials at your departure or arrival port, who will cross-match it online before allowing you to pass on departure or arrival. Trusted Travel Portal is brought to you by the African Union Commission through Africa CDC, and the technology is powered by Pana BIOS, Econet, with R&D support from Cold Chain.